One of the gravest mistakes you can ever make is the jumping into the financial market without the appropriate knowledge. What I would ordinarily advise anyone just starting out or who is just having the interest to trade the financial market is to get a mentor. That is the best thing you can ever do, because to save you a lot of time and energy doing trial and error. All right. But sometimes it can be challenging to get one because of financial restraint. It happened to me. I was going to get a mentor, sign up for a mentorship plan, but I didn't have enough at that moment to get one. What did I do? I couldn't just sit down, fold my hands, and do nothing. I had to start sourcing for information online. But the problem is there are lots of information scattered on the net. So how do you decipher which one is best for you? Which one will leave you confused? Fortunately for me, I was able to find good courses that are free. And these courses are kind of like the bedrock for me of the knowledge I have today on trading. So today in this video, I will be recommending 3 websites where you can go and learn trading for free without any payment at all. The training is systematic. You'd have to go through it stage by stage. You don't have to skip anyone so that you don't get yourself confused. Welcome back to Martel Trades. I remain Ekene Matthew. Welcome back. If you're new to this channel, kindly do well to subscribe and share this video to as many people as possible who might find this video helpful. So without any further delay, let me take you to the screen so I'll show you the sites that really helped me along the way. The first site I'll be sharing is firepipsfx.com. Okay, so all you just need to do is to register. I already have an account, so it's just straightforward. If you don't have an account, you just when you go to the home page, this is where you land on. So you sign up, input your name, your last name, username, email address, WhatsApp number, Telegram. I don't think this one is compulsory. You put in your password, confirm, and yep, you sign up, and that's just it. Straightforward. But since I already have an account, so I'll just go in and log in right up. So yep. Welcome back, Kenny Matthew. I'm not going to be selecting a plan. This is for the mentorship course. So if you want to access the free course, just go back to their home page, as you can see, then join the free class. Okay. Yeah, I already completed it. Don't mind this, not completed. This was the first course I completed when I started. So straightforward, well aligned. You don't have to stress your head on trying to know what they're actually talking about in the video, because it's just straightforward. One video leads to the other. See, starting from the very basic. Two serious traders need. All you just need to do is to play the video and
be talking about essential tools all serious traders need.
yeah.
This is basically much for.
So you can also just skip to whichever topic you want to watch. Like maybe you already know about a broker, or you already know about the based on code currency. You can just skip those ones and move on to the topic you want to watch. So it's just straightforward. Okay. So then the next is howtotrade.com. Although howtotrade.com is what I found last, but I couldn't go on with it because at the stage I was in, as at the time I found how to trade, I was already trying to I was already working on my trading plans and strategy, so it didn't just seem right for me to keep on studying the course. So simply all you just have to do, like the previous one, is to sign in. If you already have an account, I already have an account. or you just join on if you're new. Input your full name, email address, phone number, username, and your password. Then you agree to the terms and condition, and you start the trading academy. So for me, I already have an account. As you can see, my username and my password. I just log in. Yeah. So just like Fire Pips, you can see their learning process is just well outlined. So you just have to go through, but these people, they have assessment to check on what you learned so far. Okay, so you just have to go through the course, easy peasy. Now the last one, which is, as they say, the best is always reserved for last. Okay, that is baby pips, babypips.com. Man, is this the best site I can ever recommend anyone to go study? All right, if you're just starting out. Yeah, but the problem that many people might have, that is for those who don't like to read, is that this is a text-based course. So if you have issues reading, you might have problem actually going through this course. Okay, but come on, what comes easy? Yeah, all you just simply have to do is to come click on learn Forex. Yeah, and you come to this page here. Yeah, you can actually start, I think so, yes. Yeah, you can start the course straight up. Okay, you can just start up with the course, but you won't be tracking your record. So the best thing to do is for you to just sign up. Okay, just sign up. When you sign up, you would have your record being tracked. Just come to learn Forex, then, or whichever way, whether before you come to learn Forex, you can just come here and sign up. Okay, this one is straightforward. Put on your email address, your password, and you join now. I already have an account, or you can also use Facebook, your Facebook account, or your Gmail account. So for me, I have an account already, so I'll just jump right in. See, sign in. Yeah, so I'm in. My, as you can see here, I'm a graduate. Yep, that's the graduates marker you can see there. Yeah, this is the forum. You can see on my profile, we have the badge there. It's been a while I came to this forum. A lot of messages left out for me. So once you're here, once you're on this page, you just start course, okay? And at the end of every lesson, at the end of what is it called now? Every section you're being tested. So there's a preschool and kindergarten all the way to graduate. Yeah, graduation. So it's a really long one. 366 lesson or 63 lessons. Yeah, 363 lessons. Wow, that's a lot. Okay, so if you really want to start learning Forex, you can start out with the video courses, at least to brush up your knowledge a bit. Then before you come here, this was the second course I took when learning. So you can just start from here, review what is Forex. You can see well outlined for you to even take a glimpse of what this lesson is about. Learn about this massively huge financial market where fiat currencies are traded. What is traded in Forex? Currencies are the name, and so on and so forth. So it's just well aligned that you don't have to get so confused of whatever it is they're talking about. That's it. That's it. With these sites I've just shared with you, you'd be able to solve the financial market without having too much of confusion, because you would have gotten enough knowledge you need to get started. So I remain Ekene Matthew. Hope you found this video valuable. Please kindly subscribe, like, share this video to as many people out there who might actually find this video helpful. And till I come your way next time, peace.